So when you met Govana, Diablo, we know him as those times there.
Yeah, we grew up in a signal. When me moved to Spanish Town, Fim house the right around there, so my house the right there. So. Yeah.
So you guys are linking, and then he showed interest, and both you guys showed interest in music. And then you guys started to move. So he was always more the DJ, and you were always more the Singjay singer?
I like melodies. I'm always the one, like, people probably hear me for this. If it's like a Biggie and Tupac, I would choose Biggie. Because I know that it's melody. Run. I listen message too. Message is very important. But melody, this is a business. I like melodies.
Melody would catch you first.
Yeah, because I'm a joyful person.
The words.
I'm a joyful person, and that's my spirit. I like feeling. That's why Drake will always be one of my artists, because I like melodies. Not stress me up. I don't want no music stress me.
Yeah.
You know
you just want a good vibe.
Yeah, I'm about a good vibe. I'm already facing reality, and I'm living a real world with stress. So I just need something to ease that. Yeah. Don't keep on remind me
how stressful life is.
Yeah. You know what I mean?
Yeah. So you're there. Okay, so you guys are connected. So it's basically because you grew together.
Yeah.
You guys like the music, so then you guys even connected more, and he got the link to Aidonia.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then I guess because you guys are hanging in part, he brought you around the capital.
Yeah. So
what year was it that you got to JOP?
I think it was like 2000. It was November 2009. November 2009, and the same night we went at Equinox. Aidonia, Jerry Digital was the one who bring me. No, first Ablo bring me to Jerry.
Yeah.
Jerry was the one tell me to DJ. I'm a DJ at Portmore, and him say come on studio. And Govana bring me a studio. Aidonia was performing at U at the time. So when him come at the studio now and go at Equinox, Govana never have record for Equinox yet,
Yeah.
So he was like, voicing for Equinox was at the time was like a task. Like, yo, the man them tell me, yo, Equinox, dog. The man they not go voice. But me full of myself every time. I say, yo, my voice me. First day hear me, my voice me. Half a voice me. I'm full of myself. So I talk things into being. So when Equinox said, let me hear a song. And I sing the song, Seek and Find. And him said, go in the studio. I'm a voice at the same night. And the same night, I couldn't say gunshot. Can I say that?
Come on.
I couldn't say gunshot. So it's like, my voice light.
Yeah.
So I said, dude, I say gunshot. Because if you listen to Seek and Find from 2009, doing the first time I meet him, so I said, did he say it now? And him going to the studio and say it.
Yeah.
And I used to, and then the next night, me, Shano, and Showcrime voice a song. Yeah, so.
I remember you said Governor was linked with him and he didn't record yet.
No, because at them time there, to be honest, him vocals never ready. You know what I mean? Him never catch him sound.
Yeah, fair enough.
Them time there.
Yeah. So when you got to JOP, which other artists were there at that time there?
You got you got Size 10, Soverto, Aidonia. I think when Aidonia just leave, I don't them have them difference at the time. But there was a whole heap of artists around.
Those were you heard when we were hearing about JOP, Aidonia the leader.
Yeah.
Here Navino.
Yeah.
Diablo.
Yeah.
Soverto.
Yeah.
Size 10. Showcrime and Aidonia. Those were the names that you were hearing. It's like, but these were some different set of names. It's like, we never heard these type of name before. It's like, who are these man here?
Yeah.
And if you're linked to Aidonia, you said it was 09 you got around there.
Yeah.
He just got his break probably about 2 to 3 years before that. I think he got his break like 06.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Them time I just come around like, I never forgot, like November 2009, I go 2010. Yeah, and then I find the song Chilling Time 2011.
Yeah.
10, 11, yeah.
So like about 2 years after that. So then, okay, you guys are linked. Did you sign with them right away or was just more a link?
It was a link, and this is where the misunderstanding, like every time we do interview, because growth is a lot. Not going to say I got to take accountability for a lot too.
For sure.
Because as a youth, I grew up, you have everybody, we're full of ego. And we don't, if we couldn't fix certain things, we fix it. But that time, me mighty. But you know what I mean? And me just make some little errors by going about it. Wasn't wrong, but I have my right and give it to it. You know what I mean? Because at that time, we just apart and we need investors. Like, if you're doing a business, me remember say like 95% of music is business. And the other 5% is talent.
100%.
Yeah, I mean, so me know so me need somebody to spend on the career, but it's just I go about it, you know what I mean, at that time. But you know, it's just whole story, and them know the truth, me know the truth. Me never disrespect no man until me that defend myself as a youth too. And remember, me come from bad people family and we are youth. You know, we are not a bad man, me a humble youth, but me have everybody have backative, and we have that backative too. So we are stand up as a juvenile at the time. Come on, we are 20, 22, 23. We hot. Yeah. Spanish town me there, and me have country badness and town badness. So you can't talk to me. You get to me and say, you can't diss me. I mean, you know what I mean?
So but it was never really an official sign. It's just we're here as a crew. We're just going to link and try and make it.
At that time, I try to show them, say, yo, me need management to take the thing to another level. But when I did it, me didn't even want to talk about it, and it bring a bad vibe to a man. But we just speak the truth. And we have speak the truth. When we do it, because like, me and Govana friend, and I say, Govana, yo, what you say? And I say, yeah, do it. But when I do it, me get the like, me do something wrong, you get me? But me never tell Aidonia at the first, but after me tell him, say, yo, Aidonia, no, sir, and him, I remember him say, yo, if you want to do it, you can do it. Him wasn't a leader like that at that time, but I'm the man. You know, him should have say, yo, Vino, this or this and that, and we'll follow anything him say. But at that time, no money, no their own, the thing never structured properly. And
it was just everybody
in a survival mode.
Yeah, but everybody was early in their career, because as I said, if you're linking him in 09, he just got his break around 06, 07. So he's still figuring out what he's doing and as an artist himself. You know?
Yeah, and while I was young.
Yeah, so we're just, you know what, okay, you have 2 hits on the road.
Yeah.
I figured that you could probably show me the way, let's do this together and stuff. So then now when you're around them now, did you actually start to do shows and fly out and stuff like that with them?
Yeah, we are fly out, and he make me fly out, and me not gonna lie, I him look boy my passport. Him try a lot. Don't I go to you, you know? I appreciate. No, don't I really would.
Let me tell you this now. Since we're talking, I usually don't interject and tell people what I do, but this is where I come into play. The first and only time Aidonia's been to Canada, we were the ones that brought him in 07. Yeah. It was him, Leela, a next youth named Bad, Kurt, and I can't remember the DJ's name that he came with.
Rasta Jerry?
I can't remember.
Rasta?
Was he a Rasta? The funny thing with it, I can't remember. I just know it was 5 of them. The first and only time he's been here, it was our show. Yeah. You know what I mean? Those times you weren't even around with him them time. And him, cool, calm and everything. The only person that was giving us some problem, it wasn't Bad, you know. But let me tell you, Bad, we're gonna get to Bad just now. It was Kurt giving the problem. Yeah. Kurt was just, I don't know what was wrong, but he was giving the problem. You see, Bad now, they told us he's coming up as a backup singer. Okay, cool. You see, the night of the show, I gave him the mic. He gave me this little smile and gave me back the mic. And I said to him, oh, I understand what kind of backup singer you are now. Yeah. You know what I mean? You don't sing now. You're on the program. You know what I mean? I get it. But again, this is the first time I've ever on camera told this story. So we know Aidonia as a good person. You know what I mean? Yeah, he has the image and stuff, but as a person,
no, I go to
good
youth,
person
man.
them time.
No, I still go to youth, man. But it's just, you know, it's leadership. You know what I mean? Leadership and misunderstanding break apart a lot of things. You know what I mean?
And it's good because
we reach a level now where we grew past certain things.
We get that because even then, I know you and Diablo, again, before Govana, you guys did a couple songs well, even videos, everything.
No, I remember say, it was like, my brother, you know, we par every day. I go a female, I don't know, because you know, them out there. When me move to Spanish, I go to that country, you know, when me live a country with my father, and I have everything. But my mother walk up. My mother and father break up, so my mother love walk away, so she walk away. And me there Spanish town, I live the roughest life. Female had music to go, because when they eat out food, when the food are there in my yard, because I have help and everything. Yeah, man, and you they grow good, man. So there were female that eat out the food every day. Now, for real, I go to jail. I remember one time I go to jail. And Govana mother come and drop on the ground and roll and ball. So that's how close we were, you see me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusica.com.